How to create zero point 0.5 on TikTok. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you if we can create zero point 0.5 on TikTok or not. So first thing, just head over to your TikTok application and simply click on this plus icon. Just make sure you have already logged into your account. So once you tap on this plus icon, you can see currently this is my total screen width. So let's say if I were to zoom in just like this, you can easily zoom in, but if I were to zoom out completely, you can see there is no longer zoom out than this. So this is the last limit, so it is probably 1x. So when you click on this double arrow button, it actually covers all of the area of your screen instead of zooming out completely. So as you can see, there is currently no feature available to create a zero point 0.5 on TikTok. So this is the max you can get. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.